guys, thanks for clicking on my channel and welcome to my channel. If you are here, it's probably you are interested in improving your English language skills. So don't move, you are at the right place. My name is Noor, professional and English expert. Thousands of students are trained in my more than 10 years of experience. As a career coach and English instructor, my expertise has helped thousands of professionals and unprofessionals in getting their desired goals across Pakistan, Europe, and other parts of the world. Getting your dream job through an outstanding learning techniques has been my first priority, and you can try this by subscribe my channel. I'm sure you would be glad you did so. Moreover, you will find many videos here about English learning which has long content. For instance, various vocabulary techniques, easy way of tenses implementation, actual usage of words, and more grammatical errors. Over and above, through this channel, I help those students and unemployed person who really need help to qualify governmental tests such as screening tests or descriptive tests, which are conducted by many testing services, NTS, FTS, CTS, FPS, FPSC, KPPS, and PPSC, many more. So be in touch. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.